Good morning, children. This is your Jyoti teacher. Children, I hope that we have watched the previous video and understood that. But children, watch the videos regularly and try to understand them. In the previous session, we have started lesson 4, Dear Diary, Countdown to Republic Day. So in that, what we have learned, children? Sayisha, she was participating in the Republic Day parade. So every day she was writing her diary and whatever the incidents were happened. So till now she has written on January 5th, 15th January and 25th January. Now we see that on January 26th what happened. Now we continue the lesson. Now see on 26th January 2015. So what happened? The big and the final day came. It means whatever the day, she was very eagerly waiting for that. The day came. That is January 26th. It was very wet and cold on the day. Children, why it was very wet and cold? Because was the season that moment? That is winter. So because of that, it's very wet and cold on the day. They reached early in the morning and were waiting for the parade to begin. The children who won the National Bravery Awards were there. Here, what is National Bravery Awards? For whom they will be given? These awards are given to those children who have shown their braveness or courage. So these children were elected and bravery awards will be given on the day. So see that year 8 girls and 16 boys were going to receive the award. They were riding on elephants in the parade. See children, in this picture, on the right side top corner, we can see the children who are going to receive the bravery awards were riding the elephants. Now, after the national anthem, the parade started. So in which manner the parade started? See, the armed force were in their uniforms first. See children, when the parade started, with whom the parade started? With the armed forces. See, in a unique manner they were marching. So it looks very fantastic, children. So next, the camel mounted regiment followed. See children, so many camels and the riding by the soldiers or army. So these were only one in the world. Only the camel mounted regiment is there in our country only when comparing to the entire world. Next, the cannons and tanks were rolling along. See children. So first armed forces, next camel mounted regiments, and next the cannons, and here see the tanks are rolling along. Next, see the gigantic mannequins of all states followed. The gigantic means very huge. Mannequins means models made of wood, paper, make or other material. So from each state, they will prepare a mannequin and they follow it. See children, so many states, they have appeared with their models. Either they made of wood or paper. They are followed by one. All the states will participate in it. Next, at last, the dance performances started. See, children? Saisha felt a little nervous. Why? Because as many people were staring at them. See, if you are practicing or if you are dancing, if someone is staring at you, you feel nervous. So in the same sense, she felt very nervous because so many people were there and they were watching them. Whenever the music started, she forgot everything and danced very well. So behind them came the motorcycle riders from the border security force and performed daring stunts on their bikes. See, children? These are from border security force. These are also one of the defense. See? On the motorcycles, what they are doing? They are doing stunts. See, children? Soon, the Indian Air Force performed a fly-past in fighter planes, making tricolor stripes with smoke and showering rose petals on the audience. See, Indian Air Force performed a fly-past in fighter planes. See, children? They are releasing the smoke in tricolor stripes. See? Saffron, white and green color smoke. Along with that, they are showering the rose petals on the audience also. In this moment, Saisha had a little flag in her hands, and even all the audience also had little flags of India in their hands and waved it and marched happily. Saisha, proud to be an Indian girl and felt very fortunate to be the participant in the Republic Day parade. Even children, not only Saisha, each and everyone should feel proud to be Indian. Children, once again watch the entire video and try to understand it. But children, watch it for 2 or 3 times. Now children, continue the classwork. Today I have given only the new words and meanings. In the next session, we can continue the question answers. See, new words: parade, memorial, harmony, rehearsal, costumes, performances, awesome, stunts, fantastic. Once again, parade, memorial, harmony, rehearsal, costumes, performances, awesome, stunts, fantastic. Now children, see the meanings. Participating. Participating means taking part. Once again, participating means taking part. And the second one, regiments. Regiments means units in the army. Already in the previous session, I have shown that pictures also. What are the units in the army here? Naval, Air Force and Army. These 3 are called as regiments. Regiments means here units in the army. And the third one is dignitaries. Dignitaries means important personages. We call very important people as dignitaries. The fourth one, host. Host means raises. Host means raises. And the fifth one, gigantic. Gigantic means hues. Gigantic means hues. And the sixth one, dies. Sixth one, dies. That is stays. And the seventh one, content. Content. It means satisfied. Now children, today's assignment is write the given lesson 4, that is Dear Diary, countdown to Republic Day. Write the new words and meanings in your classwork. Thank you children.